talking about different types of liars.
You know, Bob, I've been thinking about liars lately. There seem to be so many different types of them, each with their unique traits and motives.
Absolutely, Alice. It's fascinating how diverse the world of deception can be. Let's dive deeper into each type. So, notorious liars, as you mentioned earlier, often have their lies widely recognized. Their reputation for dishonesty precedes them.
Yes, exactly. People like that can be found in politics, celebrity circles, or even in our own social groups. But then there are consummate liars. These individuals are incredibly skilled at lying. They could sell ice to an Eskimo, as the saying goes.
It's almost an art form for them, isn't it? They can maintain an unwavering facade, leaving you doubting your own instincts. On the other end of the spectrum, incorrigible liars just can't seem to stop lying, even when it's clear their deceit is unraveling.
They're like prisoners of their own lies, trapped in a cycle of dishonesty. And speaking of long-standing habits, inveterate liars have been at it for so long that lying has become second nature to them. It's as if they don't know how to be truthful anymore.
That's true. The more they lie, the harder it is for them to discern reality from falsehood. Then, there are congenial liars. These folks are so charming and likable that it's often challenging to believe they could ever deceive anyone.
Those are the individuals who can make you question your judgment, even when you catch them in a lie. You find yourself thinking, they couldn't possibly have meant to deceive me. But they did. Chronic liars, on the other hand, lie about almost anything and everything, often for no apparent reason.
It's as if they're addicted to deception. Pathological liars fall into a similar category. They lie compulsively, sometimes about trivial matters, and often can't control it.
Pathological liars can cause a lot of harm, not just to others but to themselves as well. It's like a self-destructive behavior. And then there are unconscionable liars. They lie without any regard for ethics or morals, often causing significant harm to those around them.
Those are the ones who can be truly dangerous. They'll manipulate and deceive without hesitation. Glib liars, on the other hand, are so smooth with their words that you almost don't realize you're being deceived until it's too late.
They have a way of making lies sound like the truth, using their charm and eloquence to their advantage. Lastly, there are egregious liars. Their lies are so outrageous and extreme that they're almost comical, but they can still have serious consequences.
True, but those lies can be a wake-up call to the rest of us about the importance of critical thinking. It's quite a spectrum of deception we've covered, and it shows how complex human behavior can be, even when it comes to something as basic as honesty.
Absolutely, Bob. It's a reminder that we should always be vigilant and discerning when it comes to the information we receive and the people we trust.